Feels nice. Looks nice. What's it called? Down to the left. Well, can't we ask? We're on the what's the
What is that now?
the
26, go straight, across the door, and then to the left, all the way down to the
all the way down? Thank you very much. Appreciate it, brother. You're being slow on that.
Sorry.
So deluxe package, David and
Samantha. Yep, you got it. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate it. Okay, have a good one. Thank you, brother. Wow, that looks cool. And then all the way to the end piece out, right? Okay, left. Wow, it looks insane. So we had to walk. Is it mustard? Mustard station. I didn't say it was mustard, but what number is it? The 26. Oh. Yeah, yeah.
Can I have you a section for us?
Oh yeah, she's got it. This is a just in case spot, right? Oh yeah, we watched, yeah.
Okay, just so a minute of your
Hey! Whoa, that's quite the boat, the Catalina Express. Hey! She ain't waving back. Hey! Yeah, okay. So how'd that go? Easy peasy. I will say that we haven't really explored the boat, but I will definitely already. This is how much we like cruising now. That we're like, yeah, we're coming back. We haven't even seen the boat yet, really.
I'm ready for our first trip. We gotta figure out what we're gonna have for our first trip.
Oh yeah, that's right.
What? No.
How dare you? Okay. Yeah, I guess. Oh, everybody's going through there. Is that the like best elevator to go to? No, yeah, that's right. Cool. What do you want?
A bar.
Yeah, chill. She's like the never drinker.
The no kids for the first time, like almost ever.
So can we not go in through any of these or what? Oh yeah, down there. Okay, so let's see the floor. We're on 4. And we're going to 5, I guess. Is what? Oh, she wants to go to the Royal Promenade. Oh, I think she wants a bar.
Let's take the stairs. Oh,
What?
it's right here.
No, I want to take an elevator. Why not? Booty shot. Oh, whoa! You caught me.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, and you wanted
Their
to.
stateroom's all the way down to level 2.
And we're at level 8, right?
8.
Is that us? Whoa! Wow!
Okay.
Cool. Interesting. Oh, I see the schooner bar.
I
Okay,
didn't
so
even see that.
still smaller.
Well, we're going up to right there. We really could have taken the stairs.
Oh, well, that was your fault.
I said.
Oh. Okay. Whoa. Oh, okay.
We can go to the Pearl.
Oh, and this is the Playmakers? Oh, that's cool. Playmakers? Oh, yeah, that's Playmakers. Pretty good. How's it going? Oh, we have some already. A little narrow. Yeah, a lot narrower, but again, we're really comparing to. Yeah, I think my parents going on this would be a little. What happened? Oh, is this where you're getting coffee? Yeah. So, what's that? To dry? Oh, for your hair. I didn't know. It is. It's very cool. Oh, the casino's downstairs. Down there, you can kind of see it. What is it? Oh, but we haven't gotten our seat passes yet. Where do we
have to look up our room number. We're not going to get a seat pass to our room is right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we're going into this bar. I don't know what it is, but there's like a ton of other.
Like 11.
11?
How come you're up top?
I will say, everybody seems to be in on their having bathing suits secret. It's out of the bag, you know. It's not a thing.
When every cruise video says, bring your bathing suit with you.
I know.
It's
It's no longer a hidden gem, huh? Softer, cool.
Honestly, if this was the furthest one we had ever gone on, that would be a distance of 7.
I will say I am looking forward to Quantum.
I am looking for
Ah, cool. Oh, so it's like right in the middle, huh? Very cool. Cool. Yep. Yeah, we do. All right. Well, that's cool. Cool. Look at that. Yep, the big wave. That's what I got first, and she got the bamboo
That's the Barney.
room drink. Okay, we got the couch. Okay, we won't be having to pull that out because the kids aren't here, but we miss you kids, and we will pull that out when you come on the next trip, which should be soon. We got the balcony, so look at that. We got the beautiful cargo look right now. We haven't really taken off yet, but we just got our room. Let's check out the bathroom real quick. Let's show them that. All right. Some shelves, nice shelves. I don't know about this TV though, really. It's like that's the bed, and this is the TV. Kinda, I guess. Man, we're not gonna really be in the room much, but shelving is a lot of shelves and dressers and a bunch of cool stuff. Okay, they got everything there.
Life jackets.
Our life jackets right there. Lots of shelves. Yep.
Those come down too.
And these two come down. Oh, look at that. Cool. And we got the hangers right here. Is that a shelf? Nope. Let's check out. Oh, the bathroom. Is this the bathroom light? Yep. Okay, cool. Nice. Nice shower. Seems like a good sized shower. What do you think, Sam? Oh, God, this door is a little hard to close.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait, no, it's double door.
Oh, my God.
Slacker. Well, guys, that's another part of just the room. This is room 8670, so
Yeah.
we'll list that one as 8670 so you can take a look at that particular room if you get it.
The fridge here.
The fridge is, oh yes, on the fridge.
It's in this door, and then it opens on that side.
Yeah, it's not bad. Nice
And
size
then
fridge.
Up here,
Yeah, we did. I
is
did.
the safe.
Oh, the safe is there. Cool.
and some more storage up here.
All right. Well, I am out of a drink almost. I got the big wave. I love the big wave. And I think we'll see them on the next video.
Yeah.
And oh yeah, all the outlets are right there. The 120s, the 240s, or the 230 is taken out.
So my face is red, not just the blush, but because I'm sweating.
Is it that hot? It's really not that hot.
My
You were
white
just saying that
skin
you.
can't- My white skin cannot handle
please.
the sun for 2 seconds.
Oh yeah, I know you do burn pretty easy.
And I have a lot of
Oh,
hair.
what is this? Oh, dear David. Oh, we got some couple of things on here.
Spectacular. Dun, dun. And this is the cruise compass.
All right. Well, if you want to read some of those things, maybe you can pause the video and read some of those.
Well, that's what's your last name.
Oh, it does? Does it say my last name? Well, maybe we'll black this out here. Whatever. Follow me on social media. My social media is on with my last name anyway, so it's all good. All right, guys. All right, guys. Not gonna lie to you, I'm a little tired. We unpacked already, so all the stuff is in the dressers. We hung up some stuff like hats and cool stuff. Still haven't taken off. We're gonna go to the what do you call it, a sail away party in a minute. I changed my shirt, a little wrinkly. We use that little non-wrinkle spray. I'll let you know if it really works. Sam says it works, but I don't know. We'll see. You're not supposed to wear the shirt, which is fine. They're all wrinkled. So, there's Sam. There's the beautiful wife looking at herself. Oh, she's got the headband, the birthday girl.
Hey. I'm on drink number 2 though.
Yeah, we're gonna go get more
we
drinks.
have a couple days, so.
She looks beautiful. Look at her. So we're gonna go get more drinks and the sail away party thing. We're gonna go walk the casino. I will try to do a video because I don't know about you guys doing videos about the casino. They're very not cool because they're like short and I don't know. They're just not great. But I appreciate that you guys put them up. So it's not hating. I'm just saying maybe make them longer. That's it, right? Nothing wrong with
They're
that.
always like 3 seconds. Here's the casino. Boop.
Yeah, and not the people doing tours of the casino. Those people are cool. They're great, but
And you have a ship tour. The casino always like a blip.
Yeah, it's like what the hell. And Vegas people want to know.
Yeah.
Vegas people want to know. Okay, all right. Well, we'll catch you guys later. Man, it looks better on her than me because look at this, my God.
You're so stupid.
Okay. Well, anyways. All right, guys. I will talk to you in a bit. We will be back for that. It's crazy because we're blogging more on this one.
To an icon because we had 3 kids with us on icon. It was a lot too many. It was overwhelming.
Okay. Well, still, we do have videos from Icon that we will post.
Yeah.
Just don't mind us that they are not going to be as great as these.
I would literally be pushing a stroller with one hand and holding my phone with the other.
I know. Well, it's all right. It's all right, guys. This is cool. I like this ship a lot so far. It's smaller, obviously, but I really like it. What about you?
I like it a lot. Which sounds like.
What's there not to like?
We are a little spoiled. You know, the elevators. That's what I don't like.
Yeah, the elevators.
We actually went on one elevator one time, and we've just been going up and down the stairs because I didn't realize because our first one was Icon.
Yep, that is insane. We were waiting forever, but okay.
You know what? We're gonna walk. We're gonna do those stairs and burn away all our alcohol calories.
Yep. All right. Talk to you guys later. Catch you in the flip side. So right here we were actually on deck 12. The sail away party was on deck 11, but we decided to go up one because it was, as you can see, definitely overwhelmingly packed. Sam wanted to just enjoy the scene and check it out. I definitely wanted to, hit the party. We got a couple of drinks and went up, but it was awesome. It was real cool. Everybody was pretty friendly. We actually got a nice view right of the water and everything on the side of the boat. The DJ was kind of in the back left hand corner. I don't know if you can see him dancing in the top, but it was cool. Just everybody was having a good time, man. We really recommend Navigator. Family's perfect day at Coco K. Alright, well, passing the Coast Guard base. Heading out. We did the sail away party. It's insane. Oh, they got a lot. You ready to get another drink? Ready to head on out of here? Water, huh? Yeah, I wonder why.
I'm gonna drink ahead of you. Lighthouse over there. Lighthouse.
Me and Sam decided to go to the main dining room right after the sail away party, so this was pretty much the end of that sail away party, and then we really transitioned right into the main dining room, which was on deck 3, and boy was it beautiful. We had a beautiful view. They didn't really sit us right on the window like they did on Icon, but man, it was amazing. Just a beautiful sight, beautiful view, and a lot of great food. So from there we went to the Star Lounge. We actually were in the casino for a little bit, and then we met this amazing couple, Alan and Hannah, who were really some of the coolest, funnest people we've met. And yeah, karaoke night with them was so fun. Actually that's them dancing right there. They're just the funnest couple. We hope to see them on our next sailing. They really just made the cruise that much better. Me and Sam had a blast. We definitely drank a little too much here, but it was great. Check out day 2's recap. That'll be next. Thanks for checking us out. This will be on Sam, the Vegas Moms channel, and mine on Population 11. So thanks for checking us out, guys. We appreciate it. Cities fast and wide, together side by side. Flying high.
Memories in the sky.